I have the keys to a great rental unit that just came up for sale here in Rutherford, and we're going to take you for the tour of a lifetime. So if you'd like to buy something for yourself or possibly invest, let's go check this out. Do you want to know one segment of the Edmonton real estate population that is still undervalued? Apartment style condos, and we have a great one for you today. Instantly when you walk in, the things I love, I'm going to share with you all the things I love. I love being able to see right outside to green space and trees. This is a main floor unit, but this is the best of the main floor units. When it feels like you really do have your own little private backyard, it's south facing, so you have nice sunny sun coming in, and then the layout. Let's talk about the layout. I like how it has zones. So your kitchen has its own zone. It's spacious, you have tons of storage, tons of areas for prep. And then your dining area table, if you want to have one, isn't touching any other part of the area. You can still have stool seating here, but you have a zone for a table that's not touching your living room. You have a nice, spacious living room that's not touching the kitchen or the dining. So really awesome options for furniture placement. You could have a sectional, you could have lots of furniture. A whole family of 4 lived here before. It's currently rented. Stepping out, I love this little area. You can hear the icicles melting. You can see the little bunny footprints. You'll have little bunnies, maybe even little deers coming through here. A little bit of nature, a little bit of privacy. You can put some screens around here just to shelter you a little bit, but this is prime first floor style stuff, you know. Primary bedroom is spacious. Again, lots of options for your furniture. This will fit a king size bed. This will fit a dresser, an end table, a side table, everything that you need. Your walk-through closet, tons of space. You could build this up, but they have already some extra shelving. This is nice and spacious. Coming through, you have a nice, bright ensuite, double shower. You have drawers, which we love. You also have the storage in a little medicine cabinet. Lots of potential in here. Just spacious, good flow. If you have a roommate, they have space between the two. If you work from home, you have a little zone you can come to. And what a nice little place to sit and work, where you can see outside, you have sun coming in, you have trees and greenery and a little bit of nature. Another nice, spacious room. I love a mirrored glass door. It makes everything look bigger, plus you always need to see what you look like. And then your secondary bathroom right here. You have a nice walk-in laundry with extra storage. This is great. You've also got underground parking with storage downstairs. Your front closet is spacious here as well. It just feels like you're coming into a little bungalow. It feels very, very homey. I like that you can fit a full-size table. You can fit a full-size cabinet here. And what segment of the population is coming into the sun right now? Apartment condos, as they have been stagnant for years and years and years and years and years. And the past couple of years, they are really starting to come in. So my Meta glasses just died their batteries, sorry. It's talking in my ear. So the prices are still really good. They've gone up a little bit, but not as much. There is a ton of room still to come up, but the desirability is really, really increasing. So they're selling faster, they're selling for more, and they are still super undervalued. So we are ready to bring you in and get you into your first condo investment sooner rather than later. Reach out if you have questions. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.